Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you guys here today to show you how to change this hot mess into this. So we will be using my Tresemme wand. This thing is amazing. It creates everything from a beach wave to a tight curl to a 1920s wave. It's absolutely awesome. I definitely recommend this product to everybody. So we're gonna get started. This is all depending on your hair. If your hair is quite thick, you will need to leave it for a little bit longer. My hair isn't that thick and my hair is actually quite curly, so it tends to hold a curl and make a curl really quickly. So I'm just going to start by taking a section of my hair and then I'm just going to wrap it around, hold it for a few seconds. Now obviously I want quite a loose curl, so not too long, so that it is more of that wave effect that we're going for. Okay, so once we're at this stage where we're going to do the top of our hair, I like to hold the hair up so that we actually get a bit of a root lift, so we have a bit more body. Okay, so once you look a bit like this, then all we do is we just shake it out, really get those curls nice and loose. Alright guys, so that is the end of the look. As you can see, we have this beautiful soft wave. It is one of my favorites. I absolutely love this look. I think it is so natural and it just kind of reminds me of like a Greek goddess of some sort. Anyway, if you guys want to see more of my videos, then please go take a look at the rest of my channel. Otherwise, drop me a comment below. Tag me in your posts. I really want to see what you guys are up to, and have an awesome day.